So that opening video you just saw, that was my plan. I was going to bury the ammo, dig it up 6 months later. I was even going to throw it out in our swamp, tie a string to it, and see how the battle packs that this ammo comes in holds up. But UPS had to be idiots and damage the package. They tore both corners of the sealed battle packs, which completely ruined my plans. With that being said, we pretty much ran this ammunition through my standard tests that I run stuff through. For a little background, Battleborn Munitions is the exclusive North America distributor for, let me see if I get this right, Pretoria Metal Pressings, PMP, from South Africa. PMP has been making ammunition since World War II for various allied countries. I originally found their 9mm at a local store, threw up a review and offered to test their other calibers. They sent me some of their 223 and 308. At the time of this recording, I see they're now available at Sportsman's Warehouse, Dick's Sporting Goods, and Myers is where I originally found the 9mm, to name a few. They have some different packaging, but they have the signature logo, which should be easy to check out. So as far as velocity goes, I'll roll that footage right now. Here we have Battleborn's Munitions, 223 Remington, 55 grain FMJ, our 10-inch M85 PAP at 10 feet, Pro Chronopal Chrono, 75 degrees outside today. 2574, 2578, 2574, 2510, 2559. Our Stag with the 16-inch barrel, Pro Chronopal Chrono, approximately 10 feet, 75 degrees outside today. 2943, 2976, 2956, 2962, 2962 again. Here we have our 143 grain 308 Winchester from Battleborn's Munition, our standard M1A, 10 feet, Pro Chronopal Chrono. It's approximately 70 degrees outside today. $28.12, $28.01, $27.89, $27.60, $27.83. You can see from that video we had good consistent velocity from what we normally expect from a 223 and a 308 cartridge. Function wise, I've ran probably 200 rounds of this through my AR, no issues. I ran probably 100 rounds of this through my M1A, no issues. Quality seems really good. Cases are nicely finished and annealed. I don't see like any nasty dull marks. Everything's polished nicely. Don't have crimped primers. The 308 looks just as good. Good annealing there. As far as accuracy goes, we did the 308 at 100 yards, and we ended up doing this at 50 yards because the reticle on the Mini 14 that we used wasn't very good for long range shooting for precision. That third shot you see is shooter error. After my dad took that shot, he said that it was going to be way off. So if we look at the 3 shots there and measure it, I didn't get my dial calipers out, but I used a program to measure it. We've got 1.44 inches, 100 yards. That's really good to me. My dad said that his M1A really likes the 150 grain and higher stuff, so for us that's really good accuracy. So we have the same issue here, some shooter error, those bottom 2 shots. We are using a Mini 14 with a really thick reticle, which was hard to do at 100 yards, so we stepped back to 50. Those top 3 shots are well under an inch. They're like 7/8 of an inch by the time you measure it out. So accuracy on these is just as good as well. Price is a little higher than average, but quality is there. We all know that ZQI stuff that Walmart had is pretty much a one-time deal with it being dirt cheap, and they stated that once the contract's done that you won't be able to buy it at Walmart for that price again. Overall, I'm very impressed. Consider giving them a look if you're looking for some good ammunition. I see they're expanding their lines to 5.56 and even 7.62 by 39 brass case now. Thanks for watching, everybody.